morning. I am so excited. I got my first Totally Dazzled shipment. It is so cute. I ordered some brooches to finish my bathroom collection for my shower curtain and my towels, and I really liked it. It came in this cute little velvet bag. They have all kinds of cute things on their site, and they sent me a free little crown bling. Don't know what I'm going to do with that yet, but can't. I'm excited about it. Ta-da! There they are. Aren't those gorgeous? So pretty, so blingy. So they're going to go with these cute little tassels I made from, I had this leftover silver metallic floss from another DIY project from my party business. And I'll be bringing that to, I don't know, I'm waiting on one more thing. And it'll be on my site soon. But anyway, these are going to be on my decor. I'm so excited. So join me. Okay, so this is the towels, the hand towels that I'm going to use for my decor in the bathroom. I would have liked them to be a lighter color, but I'm okay with this. So you want to lay it out flat. And I like this design here at the end. I want that to be facing out, so I want it at the bottom. So you're going to take this and you're going to flip that design up to about right there, because you want that. You're going to flip it back down, so you want to make sure all the part so fold it till it fits exactly what you want to reveal, just like that, just like an accordion. You're going to flip to about halfway. That's where it's at, about halfway. Then you flip down, just like that. Simple, right? Then you're going to take it and you're going to flip it over, and then you're going to fold about a third in, just like that. Okay, smooth it on out. Then you're going to fold over again, but this time you're going to pull this little section here, take this part and tuck it right in there. It forms a pocket to hold it. There you have it. And then you flip it over. There you have a little pocket. Is that not cute? So before I do, okay, so now I want to take my new Dazzle Bling. I should have cut this open. I really love it. This part's going to be super easy. See, there's the pretty bling. And I want it centered on my towel, just right there. And I also want the little metallic tassel that I made. So I'm going to thread that through there, just like so. And then I'm going to attach it to my towel, just like that. How easy is that? Isn't that gorgeous? Just like that. See? Beautiful, huh? Love it. Okay, so once you get that centered, then you can stick whatever you want to in this little pocket. I have chosen, because peacock is my underlining theme for my bathroom, I have chosen these purple peacock feathers that I got off of Amazon. So I'm just going to tuck 3 of them in the pocket, just like so, to arrange them. Spread them out, kind of. Flip this one because it needs to point in this. I like my directions to point certain ways so it looks more balanced. There we go. See, all down in there, tucked real nicely. Then I'm going to take one of these calla lilies that I had left over from my bouquets that I did, and I'm going to just tuck it nice and firmly down in there. Let's fight with that. There we go. Just like so. Arrange it. There you go. What do you think? Isn't that cute? And then you'll set it in your bathroom display, and I'll show you that in a minute. I'm going to finish this other one because I want to set it too, and then I'll take it to the bathroom and I'll show you how it looks. Alright, so I set the towels, I wrapped them around the towel bar over my main towels, my big bath towels, and there you have it. my DIY for my towels. I like them. You might want to put some pins in because these brooches are very heavy, so you might want to put some little pins to help hold them, the weight of them. But for the most part, I like them. I think they're cute. Gives them a little, that extra pop. So, something extra. So, there we have it.